Right now, if the electricity went out in your home, most people would panic within minutes. No lights, no heating, no cooling, no cooking. Modern life without electricity feels almost impossible. But ancient humans lived their entire lives without a single volt of electricity, every single day, for hundreds of thousands of years. So how did they do it? The first challenge was light. After the sun went down, the world became completely dark. True, total darkness where you cannot see your own hand in front of your face. Ancient humans solved this with fire. But fire wasn't just a light source, it was the ancient human version of electricity itself. It provided warmth, cooked food, scared away predators, and kept the tribe together at night. But there was a problem. Fire had to be started from scratch every single time. No switches, no buttons. Ancient humans used friction, rubbing dry sticks together or striking flint rocks to create sparks. So ancient humans became experts at keeping fire alive. They learned which wood burned longest. They built fire pits that protected flames from wind and rain. They passed burning embers from camp to camp so fire never had to be restarted from zero. But without electricity, there was no refrigeration. Every piece of food had to be eaten fresh or preserved using ancient methods. They dried meat under the sun, smoked fish over fire, and buried certain foods underground where the temperature stayed cool. Some ancient groups even discovered that salt could preserve food for weeks or even months. Without electric heating or air conditioning, ancient humans adapted their shelters to whatever temperature nature threw at them. In cold climates, they dug homes partially underground where Earth naturally insulated against freezing temperatures. In hot climates, they built shelters with high ceilings that moved air naturally without any fans. And without electric alarm clocks, ancient humans woke with the sunrise and slept not long after sunset. Their bodies ran on a natural biological clock so finely tuned that many of them woke at almost exactly the same time every single day. Modern sleep scientists now believe this natural rhythm produced better quality sleep than most people get today. It tells us that electricity did not make human life possible. Ancient humans were already living full, organized, and surprisingly comfortable lives long before the first light bulb was ever invented. They solved every problem that electricity solves today: light, warmth, food preservation, and shelter, using nothing but fire, earth, wind, and their own extraordinary intelligence. The next time the power goes out and panic sets in, remember this: your ancestors did this every single day, and they did it remarkably well.